Protein and desserts do not mix, or do they? Viral recipes make protein desserts look great until you actually taste them.
Just a bit weird.
I wouldn't be going making it again now anyway.
Here's how I approach sweet things and desserts when I'm on a diet. So if you're new here, I'm Sylvester. I've coached over 10,000 people over the last 10 years, sold thousands of recipe books. And the one thing I don't do many of is desserts, protein based, and that's for a reason. So where most people go wrong is that they chase protein in everything. Most protein desserts taste terrible. And if you've ever tried one before, you'll know exactly what I mean. Just because something goes viral and you see it all over the place doesn't mean that it's actually worth eating. So stop relying on your desserts to hit your protein because it's absolutely not needed. So I'm going to give you a few examples and ways around this. If your main meals are protein rich, your desserts do not need to be protein rich. Focusing on hitting your protein early and calorie control instead is 100% the right approach. It makes it way more enjoyable and you can actually have a dessert that you like. But I have two major desserts that have went viral also, but they actually taste good. So first off, you get the Biscoff Apple Crumble. It goes perfect with low calorie ice cream. It's only about 150 calories. Then add your yogurt, your low calorie ice cream. Then the air fryer s'mores. You'll get them through the links down below, free meal plan builder, shopping list builder, etc. And lastly, when it comes to food pairing, this is where a lot of people go wrong. Having what you want and pairing it with what you need. For example, this is one of the most viral protein-based desserts, chocolate bars that I've seen. There's several of them, so I'll cut to the clip. This is a bit mental.
Why would you have these two Kit Kats for 420 calories when you could have this massive Kit Kat bar for 377 calories with over 50 grams of protein?
I know I'm not the only one to react to this. I'm not even going to try it.
Just a bit weird.
I wouldn't be going making it again now anyway.
Some things you just shouldn't try and replace. But let me give you a better alternative than making something that looks good but tastes like shit. Food pairing can be an absolute game changer for people. You got a leftover Easter egg, a chocolate bar, that by itself you would just finish. Pairing it with a protein and a fibre source gives you what you want and a little bit what you need. That Kit Kat, high protein yogurt, chop up the apple, Kit Kat on the top. You could have this every day. There's a reason why I don't make high protein desserts, because it tastes shit. Utilising the 80-20 rule, 20% of your diets can come from actual desserts, real chocolate. Making a few appropriate swaps that actually still taste good, as long as your other meals are dialed in, just makes it so much easier. If you want help with this, links are down below for some free stuff, for coaching applications. And if you want to know how to eat pasta on a diet, you can click this video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.